In this section I'm going to show you how to complete a job or appointment on the mobile device. So this is an exact replica of our mobile device. So we've got appointments, tasks, stock, assets. You can also have customers on this if you so wish. If we click into our appointments, what we have is a calendar where we can see jobs in the past, jobs in the future, jobs just for today. We also have our job, so in our job we can see the priority, the type of form we're filling out, some basic details. If we click into the job, the first thing we're asked is, are we viewing the job? Are we actually driving to the job? Are we started the job? So in this case we're going to say we started the job. So we've clicked in and we've got some details. We know the name of the form we're filling out, the job reference, who the customer is. We also have an archive button where we can click in and see other jobs completed for this customer, and we can click in and maybe this will help us service our own job. So we have that ability. We've also got the customer details, address, phone numbers, postcodes, etc., emails. We've got our notes, replace fire alarm, and then at the bottom we have a number of different things, so we can go to the form. So if we go to the form, this form's just to show you a number of different ways we can do things. So in this form we've put a health and safety check at the start. So have we checked the area for hazards? And did you carry out the work to safety standard? Yes, of course. What type of call is it? So we can have tick boxes. We could also do that as a drop down box. We can put in some notes. We can also do tables. So for example, this is a table for hiring equipment. So we can say we hired a drill and we hired one drill. Then if we want to hire more equipment, we just slide it in underneath because it's creating a table for us. So we also hired some plant machinery and we also hired one, and if we want to do a third table we can go underneath. So if you imagine, this is how the table normally looks on a mobile device. We've added in this nice little feature where you can slide in underneath. We can also take photographs. Unfortunately I can't show you this in the emulator, but we can take photographs, start time, end time, and even signatures. So I've already did this signature just to show you how perfect it looks. So we've done our signature. We can also scan barcodes. We can do multiple choice. We can do calculations. So whatever your form is and has in your form, we can replicate it. We then complete the job and we're asked what stock we used. So if we click in and say what stock, we can click into building materials. We'll say we used one fire alarm. So we've used one fire alarm. Then we can finish that. We can send the paperwork to the client if we wish. We can also put in how far we've travelled, how long we spent at the job. So we'll say we're there for 2 hours and simply complete the job. That's how easy it is to use the field motion to send jobs and paperwork back to the office.